shooting my Benjamin Titan .22 caliber break barrel air gun. Nice and quiet. Got a scope on here. It's 12 times 40. It's a pretty cool scope here. I'm shooting at about 48 feet away, using hollow point .22 pellets. Very accurate. They're about $8.99 per, I think, 500 count. And this is an awesome break barrel air gun you can buy. I bought this at Academy, and this is about 149 bucks. It's pretty quiet. I'm going to say after probably 100 shots, it definitely got quieter. I live here in suburbs, so it's you want to keep it down so the neighbors don't complain. Very nice rifle, very accurate, pretty consistent on shots. I'm going to say you probably get the same power over and over. The velocity, I believe it's 950 on this rifle. It is a .22. And again, highly recommended. I will leave some links if you guys want to see the scope. The scope was, I think, 69 bucks at Academy. And I also got another video with some reviews on pellets. Alright, check out my other video. Thank you.